Hey y'all, I'm fixing to make an Easter cake with Kit Kat bars. Now the first thing I'm going to do is make the icing. This is a cream cheese icing. I made a Peeps cake with my granddaughter, Ivy, and we did a cream cheese icing with that one also, but this one's just a little bit different. This one, this is 6 ounces of cream cheese I've already put in there that softened. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cups, or you can say 1.5 sticks of room temperature butter. And this one has 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Now we're going to incorporate that real quick. Now we'll be adding 3 cups of powdered sugar. And I'm going to be doing 1 cup at a time. And then when I get it all done, we'll add some coloring to it. Okay, now we have that incorporated. And I'm going to add some green. Because once again, I'm going to make grass. Just a note here that if you watch the other video, I had some difficulties with that cream cheese icing being stable enough to use the grass tip, so I had to keep putting it in the refrigerator. So I'm hoping that this one is going to be more stable. Now I'm going to start with just doing some very simple icing. Put enough on this so that I can add the top layer, and then I'll be doing the sides. And I want to get a decent amount because that's where the Kit Kat bars are going to go. Now, I've seen pictures of this. Can't give anybody credit because I've seen so many of them. And I just thought it was so cute I'd give it a try. Plus, there's nothing better than seeing a beautiful smile of your grandchildren being so excited over something. And this one is so easy. At least it looks like it is. We're going to find out. I know that the Peep one was very easy, and Ivy had so much fun making that. So, and like I said in the other video also, this is a cake mix that I did. So, I didn't post how I cooked it because I just went exactly by the directions of Betty Crocker's cake mix. And mainly this is just for the decoration idea. And also the thrill of the children when they get to have this on Easter. Of course, I'm making several. And they'll be going home with grandchildren. It's a lot of fun when you get to have stuff and then take it home. So I'm going to finish this part up, and then we're going to do some grass. Now that I got that iced, I'm just going to go around and I'm going to do a little bit of grass around the edges here. And then we're going to put our Kit Kats on. Okay, now we're going to put the Kit Kat bars on. I'm going to go around in a complete circle, and when I get done, then we're going to add some more grass. Well, I got the Kit Kat bars on, yay. Now we're going to do some grass. And when we finish the grass, we're going to add some cute little decorations. This is going to take just a few minutes, so I'm going to get this done and see you in just a sec. Well, now I've got the grass done. I've got the sides done. Now I'm going to take little baby Binks. That closer. It's a chocolate rabbit. And I'll put that right in the center. And with that, I'm using Reese's Pieces eggs. Grandchildren are going to love this. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 little eggs in front of him. And we're going to put a couple over here. And just kind of mix it up a little bit. Okay, now I want to add just a couple of little flowers. These are the edible ones. I like that one there. Maybe it's not too busy. Well, there you have it. What do you think? Not too bad for an amateur. And I think my grandchildren are going to love it. Well, there you have it. My Kit Kat Easter cake. I know the grandkids are going to love it. So, try this out. It's fun. It's fun to do. I know the cake's delicious. It's Betty Crocker. So, please, push like, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, from my kitchen to yours, love and light.